Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am currently stuck in quarantine, so I thought to keep myself sane, let me film some videos. So for today's video, I thought it would be nice just to do a quick get ready with me, sped up listening to some music. If there's anything in particular that you would like me to film for you, please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and hit the notification bell so when I do upload, you'll be notified. So if you want to see how I transform myself from that to this, then please keep on watching.